Thank you for joining me for some chores today. You might be aware that I'm running low on hay, really low on hay. I bought a bunch last October and I was really excited. That was probably going to last me till April. Then I found some supplemental sources. I made it all the way to August without having to go haul hay. But that's up. I had to go do it today. So I found a nice guy up in North Longmont, and he sold me a trailer of hay. So my trailer here holds 48 bales, and I'm going to put these 48 bales here into the barn, but I told you I got that hay last October. I haven't even opened the door of the barn since last October. So here we go. For the first time since last, what was that, almost 10 months, 9 months? There's a lot of animals in the barn who've never seen the door open. It still works. Well, hello, chicken. You did not expect that. You didn't see that coming, did you? All right. So I think I need to get, let's see, I think I need to get this one open as well. And you know what that means? My little girls who are in here to lay eggs, I got some bad news for you. You're going to need to find yourself a new spot. I should probably glove up a lot sooner than later. Yeah. Squawk! We'll do a little cleanup here. I got to get this bale down. And then I can go ahead and get to this door latch. That allows me to open this door. Okay. So let me reposition that. And then we'll come right around. Probably to here. Here we go. Exciting times. So let me get the tarp out of the way. Here we go. The other door. Oh, oh. Wow, that has been a while. Oh, look, I got two eggs here and a bar of soap. You gotta wonder how old these are. They're not broken. I don't think I want to play with them though. So why the bar of soap? Well, it's Irish Spring soap, and once upon a time the theory we heard was if you rub it all over, that helps keep away flies. I have no idea if it worked, but it did make everything smell like Irish Spring. All right, let's get this box. I think it's just an empty box. Get it out of the way over here. I think I want to put the hay up against this wall. So let's bring this barrel here. And we've got all of the fiber that the goats trampled. And of course everybody is yelling because they want hay as well. So we may need to stop and give them a bale of hay to start. We'll see how insistent they are. Still not exactly sure where I'm going to store all this old fiber. I think we're going to wind up using it as garden mulch next season. So it was fiber we got from some neighbors, and it was not really usable for them because it was a little too dirty. They didn't want to spend all the time to clean it. It was too dirty for us. We didn't want to spend that much time to clean it. However, it is fabulous for garden mulch. I mean, it's like rocket fuel for plants. If you can ever get your hands on any seconds, that's what that is on the wool. It's not the blanket part of the wool. Well, in this one, it might be some from the neighbors. The blanket is the big part, the big contiguous part of fiber that comes off the animal. And then the seconds are all the stuff around the legs and all the other places that need to be shaved, but you don't get as long a fiber off that. Okay. We're getting a little bit more of a clear target area. You know, the old snake trap hasn't done me a lot of good in here. Maybe we should try the old snake trap someplace where it might do a little better. Well, hi, Kevin. You know, you are everywhere. Oh, don't get all nervous. We'll put the snake trap back there for now. At least it keeps it out of my way for here. Well, hi, Billy. Hi, Louie. You guys want hay now? Okay, I could do that. Let's just give you a bale. That way you'll be off my mind and there will be less shrieking. Okay, here we go. We're all going big time. I'm going right out the door really fast. Into the melee. Watch out, everybody. I'm coming through. If you all stand in front of me, I can't actually get over here. There we go. Has to push into the front. What do you think, Sassy? Oh, Cece over here. Callie getting a little munch. All right. There we go. Mac, you are so loud and so annoying. So annoyingly loud, you little dude. I don't believe you're hungry. I think you're just bored. Back it up, Buttercup. Let me see if I can fit this into your giant bin of hay that you haven't gone through, but you keep whining about it. I see grass hay right here. There. Hopefully that will keep you at bay a bit, though probably not Mac. He'll probably have plenty to say. That's how Mac rolls. move this over here and it becomes the hot new place to come try and lay an egg. So we should probably move this over here, because what I will do is make us the stuff that we are going to use first. We'll go through the rest of this. Okay, we'll start back here. Whoops. That's a trailer light. Wireless. I am not taking the back of that off yet. It is still pretty well tensioned on. These are nice bales. This guy knows his stuff on baling. Oh, hi, Kevin. Oh, it's still not coming off. I'm gonna have to yank one out of there. I danced up on top and up and down on top of this to get him out. Oh. Okay, so that's 7. I suppose I could do one more there, but maybe I take advantage and not put it right up against the door. That seems halfway smart. It's not like I'm maximizing for every possible square inch. But I do want to make it so I don't have to climb a hay mountain in order to collect eggs each day. So if I use just 2 of these pallet widths here, and I might be able to pick those up as a function of what I'm getting out of this. Oh, you're in there tight. And that's still wedged. What? If I get the tailgate off, everything else becomes a lot easier to unload. Oh. All right, now are you going to come off? There we go. Not the most elegant, but it works. And whew, a little bit of extra sun there makes this one a bit more sweaty. Next up, Oh yeah, you think this is the new hotspot, huh? So I think I am going to have to start. I'm going to have to move a little of this over here. All right, let's see, I'm going to think we went forward, so I think I probably need to go across. Even on a short stack of hay, seems like a good idea to make it secure if I can. Of course, that bale is just a beast. So we'll cheat that in a little bit like that. Perfect. That should cover me. Watch out, chickens. There's hay coming down here. I'll put this kind of up by the front so I know that's my feed first. There's some dusty hay. My poor girl. My poor rotisserie girl. I've taken away her spot. Bad me. Hi, Kevin. You're right there, huh? Okay. You going to bed already? In case you're wondering what these chains are that I've got here in the barn over the hay pile, why do I have just random chains hanging there? The exact reason you see, to help me keep my balance when I'm on the haystack. It's always nice to have more places to grab a hold of. All right, I've got 4 left. This is my conceptual new 4, 5, 6. So I could do, I think I'm going to have to go up. Didn't want to go up to that next level. I thought 3 was enough. Unless I could do a little rearranging down here, I suppose. I did not do the world's best job here. All right, first things first, let's get this kind of off of here. And this kind of off of here. So I can put another bale right up here by that green. That will give me the space I need to put the rest of this hay kind of up next to this. And the reason I don't want to put things up too high is because I've got to be out of town for a little bit. And I'm going to have backup in doing chores. And that backup does not like to climb haystacks. So I will do what I can to make sure that they don't have to. Let's see. You know what? I got 4 here and 4 there. Well, you can keep them at this height. Let's put you right up in here. Close up that little hole so chickens don't go down there. All right. I'm recording. All right, and that bale moved, but you are perfectly timed. Please, since you are my backup, let's see what you can do there, Pookaboo.
That hole looks scary.
Oh, I meant to close that hole. That leaves them a little niche over there for they can.
Did you find anything like
Nope, just hay. Nothing scary. But I got this is new, and I can drop one of I can drop this chain over here.
So are you done yet? Are you done yet?
Oh, they are really, this is a little unstable. I did not stack this for stability because I figured I'd use this first.
Use that first.
How do you suppose I did this? So, boom.
Perfect. That's good.
I'm gonna go ahead and put a carabiner on there so it'll hang as low as it can. Here. You gonna try it? Test it?
Not today. Both these are just bad.
Okay, but you should be able to come in the door here and then come up there. Don't worry about it if you don't need to, but if you think you can do that, great. The other way you can also do it is you can turn around and sit.
Okay.
I think my camera ran out of battery. So with that,
Just in time.
woohoo!
Yay!
Hay stacking chore, fini. Okay, but there actually is one more thing I have to do because every time I haul hay, there's always a bit of a snack that falls off of the bales. And so I get a basket of hay, loose hay, to give to the kids. Looks like I'm probably going to have more than one basket here today. Looks like I could probably fit it on that. We will sprinkle that out on top of their hay tonight when I come out and do the egg collect. They'll think they just got a whole bunch more. So leave that here for now. Okay. I've got to fix this tailgate piece. Ah. I'm an idiot for not having done it. But you know what? I can also just put these clips on it. It's pretty well miraculously fixed for a while. So I'm going to put effort on things I gotta do. Someday that'll hit the top of the stack, but today is not its day. And of course, the ever-present pain in the ass of the hay I knocked down into this little thing. Okay, you always got to find the right little stick in order to dig out the hay. Boom. Okay. That. So that there, that there. Whew. Sweaty, sweaty. But nice to have 24 days of hay locked away for sure. And I'll keep scouring over the next few weeks to see if I can find more. The real hay supply I need to lock in is for the winter, because hauling hay right now, not that bad. Hauling hay when it's snowing and freezing, that's a lot less fun. I think that is it. Check it out. I've got hay in the pocket for my camera cover.